What's up guys, I'm Ryan with Thrift Vintage Fashion from Miami, Florida, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of our college university t-shirts. This is a 10 pack, but no matter if you're buying a 10, 25, or 50 wholesale pack from us, it's the same grading system throughout. Expect to find mixed sizes, men's sizing small to extra large, with a small percentage of extra small or plus size. We do ship all over the world, specializing in shipping to New Zealand, Australia, and Canada. We get great affordable rates with really fast shipping times. So let's get into it. The errors will be mixed 80s, 90s, 2000s, and current. Depending on the mix, some include more vintage, some include a little less true vintage, but all will include some percentage of real vintage 80s, 90s. Cool NCAA piece from '88. Our grading system is predominantly grade A, really good condition pieces, but we do allow for up to 15% grade B in our mixes. This may include small, minor, unnoticeable holes or small stains as well. We do not launder our clothing, so we do include washable stains. If you do receive a white or gray piece from us with some yellowing to it, we do recommend doing a heavy bleach wash, and that usually gets all of the stains out. As you can see, there's some really great pieces in here. Our college mix is one of our best-selling t-shirt packs. Now, if you are looking to shop for yourself, we do have that option on our site. We sell these by size in 3 packs. That's on the Shop for Yourself tab of our website. So that is a 10-pack, wholesale pack of college university tees. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content and want to see some more, please like, subscribe, and share it. Thank you so much.